One of the issues to this happens all the time. Defenses to not paying child support, besides the ones we've already gone over. Relief from judgment of order. Lack of jurisdiction to render the judgment or order, which we've already addressed. Fraud, misrepresentation, or other official misconduct of an adverse party. I think we've been very clear on that one. We've been very clear on lack of jurisdiction. It is not disputed that an unjustified denial of visitation rights by the custodial parent may suspend the father's support obligation to pay child support during the time visitation rights are denied. I, for one, didn't get to see my kids for 6 years. Yet they collected child support for those 6 years. And they refused to address this issue. They do it with fathers all the time. Petitioners should not be permitted to enjoy the benefits of support while at the same time frustrating the important rights of a father to see his children. They don't care. I'm paying not only child support, providing the house and everything else, and I don't see my kids for 6 years. And the court refused to do absolutely nothing about it. While it is clear that a deprivation of visitation right per se will not relieve a father of his obligation, such deprivation, when not required by some pressing concern for the welfare or mother of the child, should suspend his obligation. That's this one here. Although a child's name may be changed if it is in the best interest, there must be some compelling reason to make such a change. In addition, the court is obligated to protect the non-custodial parent's visitation rights. The right to visitation has been considered so basic that interference with visitation has been held to be an act so inconsistent with the best interests of the children as to raise a strong probability that an interfering parent is unfit to act as the custodial parent. The courts ignore this. As an example, my children made the newspaper at the YMCA. Of course, they don't have my name. She changed the kids' names on the school records. Well, not the school record. In their class attendance and everything, they used her last name, not mine. The school records, they said, unless you have a name change, we can't legally change it. So they kept Collins as the last name. But everything during these kids growing up, they used the last name of Corella. My two sons still now use Collins. But back then going to school, they used Corella. She changed their names. I didn't see them for 6 years. And you wonder why I don't like these judges? This is why I started learning the law, which everybody needs to do.